It's been a remarkably windy week in Yellowstone County with wind gusts on Friday reaching upwards of 50 miles an hour, although those wind speeds don't even compare to those on Wednesday. It's that kind of wind that freezes your ears from the speed alone.
You know, you get into that 70 plus miles an hour, it's going to do damage no matter what.
This wind was very intense, probably some of the worst wind I've seen.
The winds on Wednesday reached over 70 miles an hour, enough force to knock power lines over and stop electricity from flowing.
Everyone really, it was kind of an all hands on deck kind of event, and boy, they really stepped up and got the work done for us.
Brandon Whitman, the CEO of the Yellowstone Valley Electrical Co-op, tells me his crews have been working nonstop to clean up the mess.
It's bigger than people think. It's not just in the county of Yellowstone. It branches out quite a ways.
On Friday, the crews were making Yellowstone County safer by deframing, cutting, and hauling the downed power lines.
It's really just what we call a mop-up day.
It's amazing what they did, especially considering the wind, and they work on live power. I mean, it's a job not for me.
When those 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts reached our Q2 transmitter on Sacrifice Cliff, signal was lost.
One of those connections had broken, snapped. So like I said before, we were down to not enough power.
But constant monitoring by our engineers like Justin Hosa meant a successful newscast Wednesday and Thursday night. Electricians saved the day and brought Q2 back on air.
There's a lot of moving parts in television. There's a lot of moving parts on the utility side.
In Yellowstone County, Matt Carmack, MTU News.